wax tablets. The Greeks were probably using a pair of folding wax tablets from around mid-8th century BC. It was in use in ancient Mesopotamia and in the whole Mediterranean, including Rome. Wax tablets stayed in use throughout ancient and medieval times as reusable notebooks. People used them for a variety of purposes. Secretaries and students were taking notes on wax tablets, and merchants and traders were recording their business accounts on them. Wax tablets were wooden planks with beeswax inside. You write on it with a writing tool called stylus that has one pointy end and the other wide end for rubbing the notes out. Now let's say you want to write something on these wax tablets. Naturally we tend to hold it this way when we write on it, so vertically, but for some reason it seems that people in ancient times were holding it horizontally. We know that because on almost every depiction they hold it that way. Anyway, let's assume you've taken your notes already and after a while you want to erase it. So you use the white end of your stylus and just rub this out. Interestingly, it works differently according to the temperature. If you are using it on a warm day in summer, you can write on it easily and rub it out smoothly, it's fine. But if it gets colder, you really have to work quite a bit to get rid of your old notes and to write something new. And if it would be a frosty day in winter, the tablets would become almost impossible to use. The same would be on an extremely hot day in summer. However, most of the times, this is a very handy item.